Okay, the next topic is finding the linear equation that models a given slope in an ordered pair, or you can be given two ordered pairs. So this starts with number 26. With 26, I'm just going to give you an ordered pair, just one. Then I'm going to tell you what the rate of change is. Okay, we'll also say maybe -5. And with 27, I'm just going to give you the two ordered pairs. So again, I'm going to do -1, 3, and -2, -4. Okay. So, and I say find the linear function that models a rate of change of -5, and it has the order pair 2, 3 has to be a solution to the function, where when I put 2 in, I get 3 out. Okay, well, the general form of a linear function is y equals mx plus b. Okay, another one, you can do point slope, which I rarely use, as slope-intercept here does the same thing. But what you need to do is you got to substitute in everything. So m is -5, so I'm going to put it there. And then x is 2, okay, x is 2, y is 3, so I'm going to put them there. And now make sure it's m times x, so don't forget that you would have to multiply that. Now that gives you an equation to figure out b, which is the y-intercept of this linear function. And once I solve for b, I can rewrite it. So y equals -5x plus 13. And how do I check it? Right? You can take 2, 3 and plug it in. Right? So when I plug 2 in, do I get 3 out? So -5 times 2. Do I get 3 out of that? Answer is I do. I do get 3 because -10 plus 13 is 3. Check. So you should always be able to check that. Now, point slope does the same thing. You plug in your 3, your 2, your m, and then solve it for y. But here it takes a little, this is why I don't do this one, because it takes me a couple extra steps to get there. I distribute, get rid of the constant, and there's the same answer. Just, I don't know, personal preference. You choose which one you want to do. Now, the only difference with 27 is that you got to do what you did in 25. You have to figure out slope first. All right, and then since you have two order pairs, you just pick one. All right, you don't have to do either one. All right, so label. Don't forget to watch for the back-to-back negative right here. So minus sign from the formula, and x1 is also -1. Very key, x2 minus x1. So I have -7 over -2 plus 1, which is -1. So +7, because I have two negatives. Negative divided by negative is positive, and 7 divided by 1 is just 7. Again, I'm going to stick to slope-intercept, okay, because now I'm going to, same as before, pick an order pair. I'll pick that one. Here's my slope. So I'm going to put it in, slope, my -1, my 3. And now I can figure out what the y-intercept would be. So 3, -7 plus b, add 7, b is 10. Now rewrite it. Y equals 7x plus 10. Is this correct? Well, both of these order pairs should work. So when I put in -1, I should get 3 out. And you do, because that's -7 plus 10, which is 3. Check. And it should also work for the other one. So when I put in -2, I need -4 out. So 7 times -2 plus 10. Does that work? Okay. This would be -14. And -14 plus 10 is -4. So you can always take the order pairs, plug it into your final answer, and see if it works. But let me just emphasize, the final answer is the function. Okay, that's what it asks for. Find the function that is being modeled.